In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to mute your notifications so you can work without interruptions. Let's get started. First, go ahead and click on those three dots next to your profile icon in the top corner. This will open your menu options. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Settings to access your preferences. Now we'll head into the Notification section, where all the notification controls live. Here in the Appearance and Sound section, toggle off the option to play sounds for incoming calls and notifications. This silences the audio alerts. Next, click the Edit button so we can customize which specific notifications you receive. To complete the process, turn off notifications for messages, likes, and reactions. This gives you full control over what you see. That's all there is to it. You've successfully configured your notification settings to minimize distractions.